Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening your HP Gas account on the app or portal. Log in with the credentials tied to your LPG consumer ID. Once inside, go straight to Profile or My Account. Do not waste time navigating menus. Make sure your current registered mobile and the new mobile are at hand, plus Aadhaar or KYC images for quick upload. You want to locate the Edit Phone or Update Contact option now, so you can begin the change process immediately. You enter the new mobile number into the contact field and press Save. The system will usually trigger an OTP flow. Once done, expect an OTP to the new number, and sometimes to the old number for security, so have both phones ready. If a re-KYC prompt appears, upload your Aadhaar and a clear selfie. The system checks identity to prevent fraud. Make sure to wait for confirmation messages and avoid refreshing the screen until verification completes. You finish by confirming the change in your account and watching for an SMS or in-app notification. This is your proof the update went through. Once confirmed, verify the mobile appears under contact details. If not, allow 24 to 48 hours for backend sync and then recheck. If the process fails, you can call HP Gas customer care or visit your distributor with your Aadhaar and consumer ID. A key troubleshooting tip: if OTPs do not arrive, switch to a different network and request resend immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.